trust number next attacking center forward no. Romaric Amoussou.
Kai. You. Jibo no so.
Yes, Romaric Amoussou.
No. Beninois.
Ono ye Beninois. Obama Cotton Sport Garoua. Cameroon T. Romaric ko Ismaili wo Egypt. Romaric Amoussou, the Beninois international.
Amoussou Romaric.
Ono so ene da so no. Ye hwe no. Nti kai. Hey,
onam so why say prime
Araba de kai etia.
Romaric na hwe sa.
Hey. Romaric na hwe sa no. Mama Romaric na ekono. Kai Amoussou na cross no. Keeper na be okay. Amoussou na sa.
But I'll choose Salah. Oh no,
Amoussou you are chill.
No, the any change. So a winger.
What we are going? Allah, Dr. Amoussou. Amoussou no. Hey. Asa akwa no was skills so.
You. I will try.
No, she.
So we can't so a prime for akwa for us me boa.
Amoussou, hey, we dey amfa. Amoussou na safa no. Amoussou otwe ba akwa no okro so. Amoussou. Okay.
We against Ghana. There be match we all against Ghana. Benin Ghana. I'm not sure what's on the
akwa.
Oh, you could be Adam. Oh, I'm saying the question is
you could do Adam na. Akwa na ya quick.
I'm going to video na mu yi.
We dey my impress.
Jibo, we have three. Amoussou we do impress. So skills, Jibo, so they are going to be any so no. Why is Francis Akwafo no? Or skills, why they are going to be any so. Oko Ismail we never been boy Jibo. That's why they will try to terminate his contract.
Amoussou.
O free Cotton Sports no. On na jersey number 10. O Cotton Sports. And no more transfer no Ismail. But ko Ismail no onye been boy.
So they want person you hear Amoussou.
So they already na beka.
Yes, this is Cotton Sports. In the videos are here either the Benin national team.
Because we honest with you,
Cotton Sports.
na dey am na end product nyina no kogo kipo ni ache no. You see the point. So some person what dey the person here. But say ade aware the end product no. They dey ba no. And the most important.
This is against Ghana.
Look, our will show them. That was the and to fatal the attack, no. Mamma last or Mamma last. That was no.
Yeah, so I think Jibo
one say
Salah Mohammed dear.
Romaric Amoussou na Jibo no nam tentenwa. Or the right back next form.
Look at Blasa.
Wa cross ball no. Salah Mohammed ne go. Ne say baba ya rana ye.
Oh, technique dribble. No. Makano.
Okay no.
Look at Blasa na Makano. Okay. Eni bi.
Okay. Defend the ball. O na yisu na mari.
Odre you know papa defenders no. No,
akwan was skills.
No no two. Bona right back now or you know Karela no.
Ransford.
Yes.
No,
Karela boy no.
Yeah, go back to Kotoko. But the mechanic.
So no buti. Ela we
just Randolph.
Ela akwawi. They go hasi boy but
ni moro na yo.
Moro na yo. Me se me kai game no. Three akware na three. Awo ko ma say
we captain akwan was skills.
No me kai match no.
Omo come back no mu ba ku be moro akotwa ni sesi a.
O me kai obed. Oh yeah, me kai. But do me no so chance say
na is the also your phone.
So this is on the Ghana no.
Tio, they make can say. Go. They make can say skills no skills. Or a player am say or to me entertaining supporters obenya say you know. But at the end of the day the end product is much more important. The only thing now the true we are the high rank with him assist and now goal scoring take ons na take ons because we are there. So I say nya baby you can say
kai Zakito Obed munyina no YouTube na mawe the What.A.Player stadium akọ training grounds akọ he no amature
yes
and I recommend you more. And I
was selecting the best moment.
Yes.
At about coach. I know my.
I'm a Simba too. I said the old tree. Now I was old, a glass now. What is a key to know Bedina? The Watna Stadium. What's no training glass at home? I am a Simba Toure or line so. Hey, Toure, Yamakwaba, and you may add the bar promise radio. Kumasi. Say, Bibiabako, dear.
Korogo mezo fezo ya Bibiabako.
And no more cost to come, dear.
Oh, kakra ya bompa.
Yaton catch it, Yaton catch it. They say, what was saying?
What do I say?
They say, what was saying? Yaton catch it.
Oh, Michel, you have to prepare after football. So, kakra, yeah, Juma.
Okay. It's the yet and one now as an agent. They say, you a FIFA agent.
Very soon, may FIFA agent. But see, I mean, FIFA license, but for CAF, Africa, the new license. But kakra, many FIFA license.
Okay.
Yeah, bompa.
Okay. Yeah, share players be videos see and tear ban say players are because of aside Ujumedi Udine after our retirement. Eba Ghana had the amenya sure say club da wakoma so Asante Kotoko. Nti yan nti say Sila Mohammed and Romaric Amoussou. Any other two players be what recommend this players the Asante Kotoko. No krobe no room and I say no musitie cheche players in to yini ba ko anka beboa. Ofa Sila Mohammed anu describe no. Ofa Romaric Amoussou anu describe no. Die ti na be ma Mature I recommend this players the Asante Kotoko.
Oh, when him say, man, sorry, sir, I recommend them. When him say, a team be up a good players. What I say. So, last month, Nami Okumasi, Omar Kanchemi say, if I have good players, I should forward to them or measure if they are good. Any problem? My country must say me Juma, many problem. Me a good player, me the bro. Especially, I'm working with striker side. Sila ebia monim me free bechimba Aztec 2018-2019 na minister na challenge gokin second season waje gokin with me 13 goals meaning no avoiding league ni and I go outside wa back to avoiding league obo sisi I think over 6-7 goals sisi akra na mission other players no so me players so definitely if I have good players, why not? Team be a bit my juma, but especially if they ask me good players, I will give to them. I don't have any problem for that. You're very good players, and I'm working especially with young players, many players 25, 26, 27. Juma, Sila or you good or no the baby amini kasa, and as some of the players so you're good. I said so more recommended some of the players to me, no more kasa. So definitely. Omuba Kotoko Sudia say Omu Provo Mini Beji. Coming to Kotoko, Enya is a Oba, you have to come to do the work. Member Ababe like weak player, Daddy. Baby Amika Kotoko, also for other teams. Ghana Premier League, a very big league, to be honest, and very strong. Oba, uye do dia untimimbo. So maybe players me the move back Ghana dia me more advice for.
Okay. A type of striker Ben Asila or similar to Star na say wabo Ghana boy ya ni ni striker say type of striker Ben oye.
Oh him say Sila or striker bia. Outside so with Mabo. But baby Amika, me recommend striker Amo Bia. Man sorry say Ababe recommend Amo. My sure striker is several matches answer me recommend Amo because every match say striker be back Kotoko control can to me Ibia ni Pakroja or the break Kotoko. One sure striker ni for long time. Me them striker Bia me follow mo. Me show mo game. Sometimes we got training or we mistake and I'm a country say. Me to me go for be on your crana me that bread team be Ghana dabi. I don't do that.
Oh, okay. We got video here every day. I say you said you Aguero.
Yeah, Seja Guru, baby Amika, Ebia Sila Maka, the type of striking that is me and Pepe, but the difference me meeting my ball left, meeting my ball right, me Tia Juma, me Bibia Juma, but Obiani ni potential striking role, just here. As me kind, the second season ASEC, Minisila, Nike 13 goals avoiding league from there or go outside. So I just say, oh, you good. Only me a challenge go in there, or I just say, oh, you good.
Okay.
But baby Amika. Or you good, but only say Usha Kotoko Jesus or with my good over Kotoko.
No pressure foul.
So you have to prepare yourself. Yeah, you have to prepare yourself very well. Answer no baby. Baby, I'm can't players. Send me yajuma. Okay. More advice. I can follow them before I can bring them to Kotoko or another club. Me follow mo. I watch them very well. Answer me there. In person me do beba na anya ye no make say oh who the bad players are bread abi. Anya send me yajuma.
Okay. Yanko Romaric Amoussou so. And also a recommendation.
Yeah, players ni na omuye Miami players. American team said they need this position. So I forward to them. They are all my players. If they be okay, omu bako toko so mi bon pass nyama ko yema omu. Omu team bako toko mu be different clubs so. Sa onim say Benin guy on our national team. We bought Chan, we bought competition. Ono there me team can't say or for justify. Me when I recommend a player to you, I don't want my player to come to justify because they are good. Anytime me send a video, me send a BBR. The only thing you can do, baby I mean so me can't just say sign them direct, but they can training with you 3-4 days and you decide because good player they want to me in the first control after 10 minutes, 15 minutes, we won't say, oh, you're good.
Okay.
But send me the player, but now I justify. I just say, like, even myself, I don't trust myself. So, anytime me the player, player, or waiting my training 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, now I decide. The first day, after 10 minutes, you have to know that this guy, he can do something for the team. If on team in BB my team now I'm an
Oh, okay. Romaric here, what can I say? So aboard the Benin national team. You heard the video CCA. Very skillful on the ball, but I never acquire a video name ne end product. Maybe the video might be short. Also, can we be kakra because it looks like we're very, very skillful.
Only say on your striker, on a creative player. Only say football and there who good wingers, or more fast, or more crossing strikers. I think you can score a lot of goals because football and there and you never back but strikers or fronter or your ball intimation. Baby Amika, Adani Misha Kotoko, Macho Kumasi, almost striker Nimukola, Baby Amika, a good striker because of creative space of Forsena or more possible manu. So if you have good wingers, I think for me, striker only good wingers you can score goals. Baby Amika, Tam Nami Kotoko, Nami good, Nami Kita very good wingers. Old players, ni ushe Georgia Moa, Oba, se ushe Chastela, ushe Kanise Francis Aquafototi, Maestro. A lot of players, so more wingers. But wingers, so more creative more, strikers, so more goals more. So Benin International, or a creative winger, or a fast, on him chin, and a very intelligent player.
Okay.
So I think also a bit about any team.
Okay. Now, it is a 2 become center back bina a number 6 bisuzo.
Yeah. I have a center back at number 6. I mean, I'm about Africa's under 20. So if they play under 20, I just say they are not bad player because they are very good. That's why they deserve under 20. But baby Amika, omit my bar team Tise Kotoko and Nyaman Koyimon because Kotoko, to be honest, a pressure team, sometimes crowd down in rare, won't mean that. But if they are young like that, I think Veboamu because if we be a young or back Kotoko, or keep pressure near or very best. One keep pressure in cross stay, the boy is young. Kakra, small. I think of it my keep pressure of it my Bambe Abia. Last 10 minutes, last 15 minutes to keep confidence. But keep directly because it's not easy to play for Kotoko and other big clubs in Ghana. It's not easy.
Okay. Kakra. But sister what has ona o de nema has of
Pacho Sisiana.
Sister I.
Yeah, he's my player.
Okay. Oh yeah, said they also didn't about expectation. Oba has no what me to expectation.
Oh, when him say Sisia say my country say coming to play in big club in Ghana is not easy. Me a striker. Sisi, my question the game several times. Now about first division was share lot of goals of first division. One ball premier that. This is the first time about premier, but I'm happy Minyaji because coming to first division and direct was of about premier Minyaji, but Nyaman call ye man half season. I think over chance over during maybe at the coming season over my best because coming to one of the big club too Obama has fine. After or share Ghana League the way Nyama this year Nyama be brave. On him say Ivory Coast lot of game no more money as for test. He said we share class sportidom obo brekum obo Mediama Park obo. So I think I'm happy for him because kakra ebrei obi wambo premier that because maybe a striker my conscious striker be first division the first control after first half they say this guy is very good Medina Bromo Minyaji obo kakra. But I think on Ankasa or a player or a transfer, I'm about Ghana Premier League first round. This, I have to correct this, I have to do this. Day, if you next season or Kobre Kumpaka or Nimse Pakni and Tisakra Sports Stadium, or prepare no Akobo. So definitely, me to make I just say I'm happy 100%, but I'm happy because my cover will be from first division direct to Premier or Bo Minyaji. But I want more coming from him, but I know. Ebe me a striker. We can't just say striker away. Obe performer. Ebe good. 100%. Obe good. Ebia enye ende but ebe tima ye chino. Yeah, of course.
Okay. Today, okay say players there. Pene mo nya justify. Na ebia wetia mo be 2-3 days bi no mo dey ahwe mo. Na omo wi na ese ni nyina akọ nkrata so. Players here were recommended them Asante Kotoko. The area Romaric Amoussou and Sela Mohammed. Omo bas free agents and I say Kotoko got to free more clubs or mobile.
Oh, right now, need a conversation. Me can't just sit they are free and I'm only free bet. If Intasaya Juma say Baby Pio Kumasia. Let's say everything might possible. Whether more under contract and more free, everything is communication. To be honest with you,
okay.
Football, what do you mean? Can't say football. Sorry, Manya Kobe. Hello.
It's you.
Yeah, football. What do you mean? Can't say very good player. Of it might transfer more than 3 months. Any possible. Especially active player. Or be or a very good or active until free, but everything is communication. Be everything may possible within club to club. Be a communication. Sila and Romaric and other players ni. And yet by force Kotoko everything might choose some, but I have a lot of players different position. But I'm still sending to them. But I know and they are Mechusobi.
Okay.
And you team be brave because I have to bring some of the players to team B or Ghana Kroma be some central defender, Tor one. I have it, I will bring to them. Mayfeda, I have it, I will bring to them. So definitely come when I do so kakra. Baby Pompa is a pure Ghana Premier League.
Okay. Now how soon and I ever players anymore Kotoko or training grounds?
I only say baby I can be very possible, but for the meantime, baby I maybe yes it's here for Kotoko. I contact Mr. Christopher Denyame because
okay. Hello. Oh, network.
For my third order.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hello.
Now aside or no, when your opportunity to speak to Kotoko coach, Dr. Ogum.
Only say Nyamabio, I don't want to enter inside. Ogum is, for me, Mashanuda, a very good man. I think come be pray, a very, very good. Meeting me can't just say, Onya good, Ebia, Nyaman Koyemanu this season, coming see the bit my ye. She said, I mean, nothing come yes, sometimes it didn't come.
Okay.
But penny for be bring no more didn't come. Benny Pacoromini near fine pie didn't come up Mr. Christopher Denyami because baby I can for my third cabin to Kotoko Boami. Even players in crime with the mobile mini Christopher, you take a decision. You are thinking about how to come, how to plan, where they will stay, everything.
Okay. Ahmed Simba Toure. That's it. Now, yes, your program that's in debate be by you. If we say, oh, yeah, the greatest foreign player, our boy in the Ghanaian league. Oh, no, my argument.
Same year, greatest. Timika just say greatest footballer, but one of the greatest striker. Because footballer, the Umudosu Ghana Premier League.
For foreign players, or Mababo in the Ghanaian league.
Yeah, of course, me Chantra because I do a lot for foreigners there in Ghana Premier League. Yes, me can say me one of the best striker, best foreign player in Ghana Premier League.
Oh, okay. Now, so why will you who sing China? Yeah, but why will you who sing China? Choose be a one at the Bemano.
I just
say, will you who sing China? O de emfa won kan on na yesi wa mature yi the best foreign player aboard the Ghanaian league a wo hu ya hwan na de be ma no
I choose between Solomon and Yakuba Soni. I have to choose, but choosing they are very, 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 very difficult. But I can choose Solomon Abdullah.
Okay. Ahmed Simba Toure. You better say. Me sure say bibi asuba e be din komo.
Me da munina say, me da kumasi from munina say, me France na Ghana Premier League pen from munina me chia munina.
Okay. Ahmed Simba Toure ena ene no ekodi nkomo no.
Welcome. 102.7 FM.
Okay. Yanji kakaka na fe yanhwa aboafo ne ne atiefo ne ahwefo so eni nkomo gabi. So what Ahmed Toure
let's make clear or work with every team but then Kotoko for na penifo bit na din nkomo over our chairman Christopher Debenya I think circles leadership no and I am free say or players we are on this all recommend this star players we are the amount so up to say Chris Demenya any the Kotoko coach any Kotoko hierarchy no ever this Katoma as a player we all pay now but at the same time all other clubs in Ghana here no there's no the opportunity no offer for example CC one recommend number has to folk and there was another striker no more expect to say whereby went to me am Mabiukaya.
This kind of honesty one in common. So a kind of point blank say or a Division 1 player.
Yeah, also more premier that.
Nti enye de or catch us say why see straight away Division 1 into him say you are not signing a Premier League player. Wamao the right profile. Into how decide and where decide.
So to know me say players I hear me videos over there clearly you because yeah they are good players but like on all can a good player and take a coach or be to see good players over 10 matches. So player be a red team one the first 10-15 minutes no the movement the ball control ball trapping and the passing I don't get me more conclude say no player we be good now they can a coach ajuma because player be a better team for like na say opeso huna because I said new players appreciation the best in him paunya sana man ade because Zakito cerebral striker Sami siasa na be share in the team obi are for different background na ba it you know once I am more you don't express you not that connection no but the movement obey kakra to the control obey to akoi obey to me are good no matter how asem so player to na call say o gambo other than that sen ko recommend am Kotoko say na Kotoko interest say o kana football na you need to spend on it say o boka o no o di papa akagana ko ruva kwa say kwangwa and the foreign league is so on yebo you know betimi am scout am monitor Now we no. That's sana European teams no more. James scout no most of the no teams no venue no more. Omo you are more assistant coaches you are omo Jumani scouting. Omo some team bench. But at any point in time opposing team now players are more monitor on deba. So this can also be done. And you know yes it's good Amature will take up that job. Amature a good player. Okay. Ghana football in the power. All right, come in. That's a good thing. That's the best players, no. We're going to Tobo. The players, me and Sebi. Nibombe Waki. No Tuju Kofi. Any Amature. Sami and Sebi. Ebejina Abane as the best three. Ube Sulama film. Yes. I said because number of years. And yes, Sulama partner was chamber too. Hey, okay. Hey, I'm a Toure. I don't go to Ghana football. I'm a Toure. Sulama boss. No, to you, Kofi. Already as I'm go Kobo. Sulama. Adeba kwa Sulama way ne consistency. Sulama was consistent. I'm a Toure consistent. Sulama Kotoko. Now even the champ crown. Look at one also. Hey, Sulama ye kabi. I'm a Toure. After that, no Sulama. Now kind of first trade yeah. No to Jukosi. Nibombe Waki. And I'm a Toure. Thank you for me and say. I won't make me first. Sulama they mean to me about that one. Zach, your name I think that was a Wenger was the video somebody say I know him. Romaric. Yeah, by him say I know him because I watched him against Ghana. Na Chan qualifiers. Both league in Yabuteshe. And she on that day I remember the cast on platform cry some guys be quickly talking about him saying Ghanaian class should be fast. Now come sign that boy. It's for him here every video as my share boy no. We can see him on the street. No, it's a good. Say me say me Zach ni Amature. No, say me Amature I can't say me. I mean why if you've seen a good player on better tries. Listen, let's be serious in 2024. You know, and I like the fact that Obi say Christopher Domenya upon Bibia, he shows on Kotoko de supporters me omupa omum pimping for no monko panacha say so almost na ode omde circus natural onye better na possible any on the song no make us after the bre better na possible I don't possible jibo ejuma oyi to or the place is not place but the onye say doso ode no ya another another day if listen to yeah but how the recommendation that boy there honestly you see if you want players on the crowd or stadium Mrs. Abo no hype me ma hwe me I watch him against Benin sa winga no and the boy mo say I'm say smile for ko toro no onye bi me ni why you so playing sometimes Arabs no no be because no know why you no set player okwa e bonus baba from kakra it is so sometimes good turn from Cotton Sport. Yeah, it's a kind of about core and I think so on so no on board match crack. And I'm just so I don't know whether a registration issue or but on board match. My announce line in February so ban 0536161607 0201941461 0536161607 0201941461 say Ubed. So
I think gonna call and among call the extra man at least for these two I and also when an American say about the Sakafon say I'm a tourist so buy no so you need players who can take on other players. So for these two there there are about 3 I mentioned. But 2 bisu mu amehwe make us say no these are not the Kotoko standard.
Oba ma men call line so na yenye ne kakaka. Hello, obi da bia ka say finado asma to aso. Hello? Yes sir.
Obanika je ya frame Kapito.
Kapito yanko ntentem.
Obanika je ya mo ya mpeni mfo abaso. Boko to kompeni mfo